Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Epirus GDLS and Kodiak AI unveil autonomous Leonidas AGV counter-drone system for mobile defense operations. Epirus, General Dynamics Land Systems and Kodiak AI have unveiled the Leonidas autonomous ground vehicle, a mobile system designed for counter-unmanned aerial system operations. The companies announced the system on March 24, 2026. Highlighting its role in critical point defense and homeland security missions. The Leonidas AGV integrates Epirus high-power microwave platform with Kodiak's AI-enabled autonomous driving system on a commercial-grade truck. General Dynamics Land Systems acted as the lead system integrator for the platform. The system is designed to operate autonomously or be teleoperated, allowing flexible deployment across fixed and expeditionary environments. It is intended to extend counter-UAS coverage and respond to evolving drone threats. Leonidas AGV can deploy rapidly to pre-planned interception points or maneuver across a perimeter to protect critical assets. It is capable of addressing threats ranging from individual drones to swarm and fiber-optic controlled attacks. The platform is suited for missions including the protection of military bases, airports, ports, energy infrastructure, and public events. Its autonomous and teleoperated modes allow operators to scale coverage and maintain continuous defense. The Leonidas system uses high-power microwave technology to neutralize drone threats without relying on traditional interceptors. The company said this approach reduces costs and supports sustained operations against multiple targets. Saturation drone attacks demand a fundamentally different approach to defense, said Andy Lowy, Chief Executive Officer of Epirus. Leonidas AGV combines autonomous mobility with high-power microwave effects to deliver a counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system capability that rapidly maneuvers to defeat drone swarms without more boots on the ground. Together with GDLS and Kodiak, we're enabling a new layer of autonomous drone defense for critical assets and infrastructure. Kodiak's autonomous driving system enables the vehicle to operate across complex environments, including both structured and off-road terrain. Its modular design supports reliable movement in conditions where human operation may be limited or unsafe. We partner with other companies so we can provide best-in-class capabilities to the Army, and the Leonidas AGV is a timely example, said Keith Barkley, Vice President and General Manager for U.S. Operations at General Dynamics Land Systems. Integrating leading-edge technology from Epirus and Kodiak into a commercial-based vehicle is one way to ensure American soldiers have the power to win on the battlefield. At GDLS, we're moving faster than ever before, and we think there's a great future for commercially inspired innovations such as Leonidas AGV. The system uses advanced perception and navigation to maintain continuous coverage in contested environments. It is designed to support scalable and adaptable operations across a range of mission requirements. Autonomous mobility fundamentally changes how advanced defensive systems can be deployed and operated, said Don Bennett, founder and chief executive officer of Kodiak AI. By integrating the Kodiak driver with Epirus Leonidas platform and GDLS integration expertise, we are demonstrating how commercially developed autonomy enables mobile counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system capabilities that protect critical assets and keep warfighters out of harm's way. This collaboration directly meets the U.S. military's need for scalable, adaptable, and cost-effective autonomous ground vehicles. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.